Hi, I'm attorney Paul DeLaurie. I practice law in the state of Arizona and I help clients throughout the United States. Today, I want to talk about bridge trusts and my own personal experience with having a bridge trust and a problem that I experienced and how I ultimately solved that and replaced my bridge trust with something that's better and costs less to maintain. First, let me tell you what a bridge trust is. So it's a trust that's trademarked by some lawyers here in Arizona, and it's promoted as being the ultimate protection from lawsuits and creditors. And here's how it works. So you set up the trust, you're the grantor, and you are also the beneficiary and the trustee. So you're in all the positions. You're 100% in control at first. And then if you ever get sued, you can resign as the trustee and a Cook Islands Trust Company comes on board and takes over as trustee. So that's how it's supposed to work. But here's my own personal experience with having a bridge trust. In 2009, I inherited some money. Because of that, I took a couple of years off from practicing law. And I hired a local attorney here in Phoenix, Arizona, to prepare a bridge trust for me and a limited partnership. And the combination cost $25,000. Then I continued to pay $1,500 per year for him to continue on as the trust protector and to have this Cook Island Trust Company available to take over as trustee if I ever got sued. Then in 2013, I had to fire a bookkeeper who was messing up my law firm's accounting. The bookkeeper then turned around and sued me for what he claimed he owed me. Now, the law is not always fair and not always perfect. And so the bookkeeper ended up actually getting a judgment against me, even though he was messing up my books. So I got a judgment against me. In the meantime, a couple years after that, I stopped paying the annual $1,500 fee to the trust protector just because I was tired of paying this annual fee all the time, just to have a trust that basically was just sitting around. Then in 2018, I sold my house. And 1 week before the closing, the representative from the title company called me to say that they discovered the judgment of this bookkeeper. And I said, "Oh, don't worry about that. I have a bridge trust. I'm protected." And they said, "Well, you're the trustee, so no, you're not. And we're going to pay the judgment." At that point, my choices would have been to go to court and have this bridge trust declared valid, or try to convince the Cook Islands Company to come on board as trustee. But actually, at that point, they said that the process would have taken about 2 months to have the Cook Islands Trust Company come on board as trustee. So that was out of the picture also. And basically, I ended up just having to pay the judgment. I've since replaced my own bridge trust with something that's stronger and easier to maintain. It's backed by 200 years of case law, and it's valid in all states. Now, if you're tired of paying the annual fee to a trust company and to a trust protector, let me help you. We can replace your bridge trust with something that's better and less costly.